how to send bulk messages in WhatsApp. So what you're gonna have to do is download a third-party app. And before I even get into this, you have to realize that this is against WhatsApp's terms of service, so you have to be careful while using this. So what you have to do is go to Play Store and install What's Bulk Sender. And then click Open. Select your email and click Create Campaign. Now you can pick from a contact book, add the numbers manually, import from Excel or CSV, as you can see. Now I'm gonna click pick from the contact book, and I'm just gonna select a couple contacts. Let's click Finish. What I have to do now is select all, then Save As, and then type in your campaign name. So for me, it's just gonna be a campaign example. I'm gonna click Save, and here you can start sending the message. But first you need to enable a few permissions. So you have to enable this. Go to install apps, What's Bulk Sender, click allow, and then click send message, and then choose what campaign you want to send the messages to. And as you can see, they're sending it automatically. And there you go. That's how to do it over the phone. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it over the desktop. So this is pretty simple. All you have to do is open a new tab and then type in WaSender. It's a plugin that you just have to simply add to Chrome, as I did right here. And then go to your WhatsApp, open up the extensions. And here you can add some numbers that you want to send the messages to and the message itself. And there you go. That's how to send bulk messages in WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.